Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your own post on Nextdoor. If you are looking for a way to delete a post that you've previously made on Nextdoor, then the process is quite easy. Launch open a web browser and then type in nextdoor.com in the URL box. Also make sure that you are logged into your Nextdoor account. After logging into your Nextdoor account, go ahead and find your post that you've previously made from the home page. After you find your post that you want to delete, go ahead and click on the three dots right next to your post and click the delete button in order to remove your post. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete the post that you've made on Nextdoor. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.